Okay, here's video number 5. This is Power Standard 7.2. All right, these were the problems on the back side, just factoring, right? We call it undistributing, and then creating the equation, okay? So I'm going to start with creating the equation. A lot of you guys did pretty well with this, but we have to make sure that you cannot put two numbers inside the parentheses. One has to go out and one stays in, okay? So this one goes right 4 units. That one is the one that stays in. And remember that it's the opposite, so it's -4. And then up 1, that goes out, and that's +1 over on the back, okay? I'll do one more for you, okay? All of our equations have that x with the parentheses in the square. Okay, if it's reflected, it's minus in the front. Okay, and then left 3. So remember that's opposite, so it's +3 inside, and then down 7 is -7 on the outside. Okay, you guys can do number 3. Okay, the other ones were the undistributing or the factoring. So you have to find numbers that go into all of the terms. Okay, my suggestion is to just look at the smallest number and get their factors. If that factor can go in the other numbers, then you can do it. All right. Number 4 is not a good example. Don't do number 4. Number 5. Okay. Look at 12. All right. So if you need to make a factor tree, make your factor tree. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Okay. Can 12 go into 18 and 36? No. Can 6 go into 18 and 36? Yes. So 6 is your number. Remember, it's the biggest number that can go in. So you divide by 6. Remember, that comes out in front of parentheses. And then you look at the exponents. X to the 7th, x to the 4th, x to the 3rd. How many do they all at least have? They all have 3. So I can take out x to the 3rd, x to the 3rd, x to the 3rd, and that goes out in front as well. So then you just divide. 18 divided by 6 is 3. And when you divide exponents, you subtract. So x to the 7th divided by x to the 3rd, 7 minus 3 is 4, okay? And then 12 divided by 6 is 2. X to the 4th divided by x to the 3rd is x, minus 36 divided by 6 is 6. And then we took all the x's away, so you are done, all right? So follow this example. Do number 6 and number 7, and then fix your test, submit that on the assignment.